Homework 6, problem 14. Y equals 2 minus cotangent to the 7th power t over 42 to the 6th power. Find the derivative of this equation. So in order to solve this problem, we first need to start with the chain rule, seeing that there's an exponent 6 out here. So that becomes 6 stuff, what's in the middle we leave the same, times the derivative of that stuff in the middle. So we can easily find, see this part, this first part, the exponent being brought to the front and leaving the stuff within the parentheses the same. However, the difficulty comes into finding the derivative of this expression here. In order to do that, we need to break each part up one by one. So it's going to be a lengthy process, but we'll walk through it. So derivative of this expression pretty much breaks down to be this. Derivative of 2 minus the derivative of this whole expression, cotangent to the 7, t over 42. And from the rule we know about constants, the derivative of any constant is equal to 0. So derivative of 2 is 0. And then from there we go down to find the derivative of what's right here. So in order to do that, we start with the chain rule, where we bring the 7 here, the 7 to the front as a coefficient, and it's first the power rule. So the power rule, yeah. 7 cotangent 6, leaving the stuff the same. It's a mixture between actually the product rule, the power rule, and the chain rule, where we keep the stuff in the middle the same, and then multiply it by the derivative of what's left, cotangent t to 42. So we're left with this 7 cotangent 6 t to the 42 times the derivative of cotangent t to 42. So in order to find the derivative of cotangent, sorry, I've been saying tangent this whole time, cotangent t42, we need to understand what the derivative identity of cotangent is. And the derivative identity of cotangent is negative cosecant squared. And we leave what's in the parentheses the same, t42 over 42, because we're using the chain rule for this. Now that we have that, we pretty much put all of our derivative values together. That was originally here. So the derivative of this whole expression, 2 minus cotangent to the 7th power t to the 42, is 7 cotangent 42. Yeah, 7 cotangent 7 cotangent 7 t to the 42 times cosecant squared t to the 42 over 42, which simplifies, the 7 and the 42 simplify down to 1 and 7, to cotangent 7 t to the 42 cosecant squared t over 42 over 6. Did I say 1 and 7? I meant 1 and 6. And that would be our final answer.